Welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Have you ever seen any 14-inch flour tortillas? That's right, 14-inch flour tortillas. They're as big as a pizza. We've got one of those Shamrock stores here in town. It used to be like a Smart and Final, I think. It's a restaurant supply store, and I was in there and saw these huge flour tortillas and thought, I've got to have those. The only problem is, it makes such big food, you got to have other people around to help you eat it. So anyway, today, the first thing I'm going to make with these giant flour tortillas is I'm going to make a 14-inch quesadilla, just a cheese quesadilla. I am going to use my favorite Supremo Chihuahua quesadilla cheese, and I'm going to grate up some sharp cheddar cheese, and I guess a sharp cheddar cheese. And instead of just plain cheese, I've got a little bit of green chili diced up left over from the other night, and I'm going to add some of my favorite hot sauce. Just going to drizzle it in there. This is a New Mexico, Sadie's. It's an incredible restaurant down in Albuquerque. If you're ever in Albuquerque, look up Sadie's. You won't be disappointed. Okay, so let's get this started. First thing I got to do is shred up my cheddar cheese. And while I do, I forgot to mention in the intro, it's a 14-inch flour tortilla. What the heck am I going to cook that on, right? Well, luckily, I have a Blackstone Griddle outside, and that's the only thing I have that I can even think about doing a 14-inch quesadilla on. So let me get this shredded up. Next thing I got to do is butter these, at least one side of these, right? So I'm going to use some softened real butter. I have my Blackstone warming up outside. All right, there's one. Now the only thing I have, a pan, I don't even have a pizza pan 14 inches. I have 12-inch pizza pans. So I do have a 16-inch pizza screen. So I'm gonna put those on here and we'll get them outside. All right, Blackstone's heated up. Oh, look at that. That thing just fits, doesn't it? I'm gonna get our cheese on there. Here's a cheese quesadilla. I do have my Blackstone on low. Yeah, I want all that cheddar on there. We can get a little fried on the outside if we want. Gotta get some of that Chihuahua cheese on there. Gotta make it cheesy. Alright, now this is optional. If you want to add hot peppers, jalapenos, anything you want. I have green chilies. I love green chilies, so I am adding them to this giant quesadilla. And to spice it up just a little bit more, I'm going to put some of my Sadie's hot sauce in there. This hot sauce is pretty warm, so I'm not going to put too much. All right, I think that'll do it. Let's load the other tortilla right on top. Okay, and we want to get that cheese in there to melt a little bit before we flip it. Go on a little bit. Let's see how the bottom's doing. Okay, we're good, we're good. Got a little more into the picture, right? Okay, we're going to let that cheese melt. We're going to let this all connect to each other with the cheese, the melty cheese, and we'll flip it. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be flipping it with this. All right, I can see on the top here, it looks like the cheese is melting, which is good. It means my tortilla will stay on there. Let me look underneath here. Yeah, we're getting a nice little toast on the bottom. But, like I said, I can't flip it with this. So I'm going to have to use a pizza peel. All right, so let's get this pizza peel underneath there. That's right, you're going to need a pizza peel. Let's see if I can do this without losing everything. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now all we got to do is toast the other side, take it off, cut it up. Yeah, taste this baby. All right, this thing is, oopsie, nice and toasty underneath. Get that off onto my pizza screen. All right, let's take it inside and cut this thing up. Look at that. All right, there it is. Gigantic 14-inch quesadilla. I had to use a pizza peel to flip it. I'm going to use a pizza wheel to cut it. Of course, you can cut this in as many pieces as you want. I mean, one piece is a pretty good piece for a quesadilla. So anyway, let's do a taste. What do you think of that? One gigantic quesadilla. I don't know about you, but that's a lot of quesadilla. I'm not sure how many it'll feed. I mean, you probably feed 4 people off of that. You got guys over for football, cut the slices thinner, cut them in half, whatever you got to do, and serve it up. I mean, great snack. Quesadillas are so good. So, yeah, let's take a taste of this. Okay, nice and golden brown. How could you go wrong with cheese, green chili, a little bit of hot sauce? Cheese quesadilla. You know, I watch a lot of people make quesadillas, and, you know, sometimes I do too. I put like a whole bunch of meat, some kind of chicken or beef or hamburger or whatever. Nothing beats the good old cheese quesadilla. All right, you've been watching Tortilla Takeover. Thanks for checking this out. Hope you come back. Hope you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.